Hey guys, welcome to EGV and this is Vishnu. This illustration a company produces for products P, Q, R and S. The data related to production activity are as under, and then they have given a column contains product PQR and S. Then we have quantity of production 1000, 10,000, 1200 and 15,000. Then material cost per unit 10, 10, 32, 34. Labor cost, labor hour per unit 1, 1, 4 and 3. Machine hour per unit 0.5, 0.5, 2 and 3. Then we have direct labor cost per unit 6, 6, 24 and 18. The product overheads are as under. The production overheads. The production overhead include overhead applicable for machine oriented activity, which is 1,49,700. Then overhead related to ordering material 7,680. Setup cost 17,400. And administration overhead for spares, which is 34,380. Then we have material handling cost as 30,294. So those are the details, and then we have another table which contains some of the details of the products. So in this table we have 6 columns: product, and then we have setups, material orders, material handling and spares. So for product we have that 4 products P, Q, R and S. Setups, which is 3, 18, 5 and 24. Then material order 3, 12, 3 and 12. Material handling 6, 30, 9, 36. Spare parts 6, 15, 3 and 12. It is better to take the total, therefore the total will be 50, 30, 81 and 36. And you are required to select a suitable cost driver for each item and overhead expenses and calculate the cost per unit of the cost driver. Number 2, using the concept of activity based costing, compute the factory cost as per the unit of each product. So going ahead with the solution, we have statement showing computation of cost per unit of cost drivers. So for that I have made a small working which have particulars, total amount, cost driver and machine hour and driver per unit. So first of all we have the machine oriented activity. So the cost of the machine oriented activity is 1,49,700 and the total machine hour will be 49,900. Therefore when we divide 1,49,700 with 49,900, we will get the per unit cost driver cost of rupees 3 per hour. Now I will show you how we will get the machine hour as 49,900. For that I have taken the number of units product of each product of P, Q, R and S, that is 1000, 10,000, 1,200 and 14,000. We have machine hour per unit as 0.5, 0.5, 2 and 3. When we multiply the per unit quantity of production with machine labor hour, we will get an amount of 500, 5,000, 2,400 and 42,000 will give you the total machine hour as 49,900. Now overhead related to ordering material. So overhead related to ordering material cost will be the ordering cost, total ordering cost is 7,680 and the cost driver will be material order. Therefore the material order are 30 times, therefore 7,680 divided by 30 will give the cost driver per unit as 256. Now we have administration overhead for spare parts. So the total cost of spare parts will be 34,880, and the cost driver is number of spares. Therefore, the number of spares for the production of the four products will be 36. Therefore, 34,000 divided by 34,380 divided by 36 will give you 955 per unit as cost driver per unit. Then we have material handling cost. Total material handling cost is 30,294, and the cost driver will be number of handlings. And the total number of handling is 81. Therefore, 30,294 divided by 81 will give you 374. So guys, now we have computed the per unit cost of each activity. Now we can compute the cost of each product. Therefore, I have made a table which contains 5 columns: particulars, PQRS. Then we have total material cost as given in the question, 10, 10, 34, 32, 34. Then direct labor 6, 6, 24, 18. Total when we add material and direct labor, we get the prime cost as 16, 16, 56 and 52. Then we have machine activity, which is 3 multiplied by 500 divided by 100, which will give you 1.4 per unit. Here 3 multiplied by 500 divided by 1000 will give you the cost per unit as 1.5. Then we have material ordering cost. So the material ordering cost driver per unit is 256, and then the material handling is 3 numbers. Therefore, multiplied by 3 divided by 1000 will give you the per unit cost of material ordering, which is 0.77. And when you check comes with setup cost, we know that the cost driver per unit is 348 multiplied by 3 divided by 1000 will give an amount of 1.04. Then we have material handling cost, which is 2.24. that is cost driver per material handling is 374 multiplied by 6. This is the number of handling required for manufacturing of the total production, divided by 1000, which is the quantity produced, will give of 2.24. The same manner we can do the all other products of Q, R and S, and when we take the sum we will get the cost as 27.29, 20.99 and 60.69.28 and 63.6. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.